Hey sewing friends, it's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs. I am the Murr in Murr-Made Designs. Thank you for joining me on my channel, and this channel is all about garments. And I have made the commitment, the promise, to show you 365 garments. And we are at day 93. We are 1 week away from 100 garments. Wow. And today you will recognize this pattern because it wasn't very many days, it wasn't even a week ago. I showed you this pattern, 6735, NewLook. If you are pattern shopping, buy this pattern. You will not regret it. It is a great pattern. I have made all of these things. Well, I've made the skirt once. I've made the pants twice. Made all of these things, the cardigan a couple times. This is a great, great beginner-friendly, quick, easy pattern. And I'll show you what I made with it, and then we'll talk. Give you a little twirl. I made this green, it's kind of a thick, kind of polyester knit. And longtime viewers of this channel will recognize this material from day 4, way back, almost 90 days ago. I showed you a dress I made with this. And this was the remnant left over from the dress. And I decided to make a cute little top with it. And I think this was a great pattern for it. This is, you can see how different material can completely change the look of a top too, because the top I showed you last week with the same pattern was like a cotton jersey knit, and it was very much t-shirty looking. And just making it out of this polyester makes it quite a bit more dressy looking. And yeah, I think it's a very pretty material. It's kind of an olive green, the color of my eyes, and it's got this pretty teal flower on it. So I paired it with this blue pencil skirt that I showed you last month sometime. I refashioned it from an ugly pair of blue pants I made. And I would have never thought to pair green and blue, but when I saw the blue flower in here, I thought, you know what, that just might work. And I think it does. What do you think? And instead of the short sleeves, I made 3/4 length sleeves, and I left the neckline a little bit lower on this because I thought that kind of added to the dressiness of it. I'll give you one more twirl. I just added a little belt and a necklace. Just trying to do a better job of styling. Some of my viewers are very good at it, and trying not to just do the same old all the time. And so, as always, NewLook 6735, and I believe I got this material at Fabricland. I got a long while ago, so it was probably Fabricland. I've only more recently branched out into getting fabric from different places. And I can't wait to tell you about my grateful thread. I am so grateful. What just showed up at my house was a giant, huge box right full of patterns, like 150 patterns. Charlene, who is my husband's cousin, gave me all of her old patterns. I can't believe it. And there's so many cute things in there. There is things from the 60s. There are things from the 70s. There are all sorts of easy dresses, cute dresses, so many cute things. I'm not going to show you all 150 patterns right now, but I am going to work at making some lovely things with these patterns and showing them to you. That is really going to add some spice to our remaining 270-ish days of garments. So thank you. So grateful from the bottom of my heart, Charlene, for all these patterns. It is going to be so much fun. And you know what I hope? I hope you are all sewing, because sewing is so much fun.